From one day to day one, my journey to Bangalore finally began. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Priyanka, a final year student at NIT Rourkela, and this is my last semester of engineering. Technically there is no next semester for me. I'll only be going back to college for exams. So here on this channel I'll be sharing my lifestyle experiences and everything in between. जाने से पहले हमने थोड़ा ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग कर ली, फिर हमने ये कंटेनर सेक्शन से कुछ कंटेनर भी लिए. After finishing the shopping, we visited a temple to seek blessings before I left. Then I started packing late at night. It was almost 11 p.m. सुबह 5 बजे उठना था मेरे को, but my packing was still not done. जब घर से दूर जाने का वक्त आता है तब समझ आता है कि हम कितने बड़े हो गए. कॉलेज तक तो पेरेंट्स या फ्रेंड्स के साथ ट्रैवल किया है, बट दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग अलोन. एक्साइटमेंट भी थी और थोड़ा रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी महसूस हो रहा था. Since I had early morning flight, मैं 6 बजे तक उठ गई थी and I barely had time to sleep. Anyways, मैं 3 घंटे तो सो के आ गई थी. Since we hadn't finalized a place to stay yet, we booked a 2-day Airbnb to explore the area ताकि आराम से हम पीजी देख सकें. ये फ्लैट काफ़ी अच्छी थी. एक बड़ा कॉमन हॉल था, किचन था, 2 बेडरूम्स थे, and we could even use kitchen for cooking. I'll be doing my internship here, and for exams I'll be going back to college again, that is in Rourkela. I mean, it still feels unreal how fast time has flown by. It feels like just yesterday when I was in school, then college, अब corporate life. Like the transition happened. एक moment पे I was attending lectures with friends. Now I'm preparing for my first day at work. Like life moves fast and it's just the beginning of a whole new journey. And I'm really very excited for that. After freshening up, we started our PG hunt. तो we visited multiple places. But for visiting multiple places हमें ऑटो भी नहीं मिल रहा था. If someone had told my younger self that one day I'd be pursuing engineering, I think I would have probably laughed because I had no idea at that time. But here I am today in my final year of computer science and engineering. I mean, life is unpredictable and sometimes the path we never imagined for ourselves turns out to be the best ones. So to everyone out there wondering if they are on the right path, just go with the flow, explore. You'll never know where the life might take you. In the afternoon, I moved into my PG and started arranging my clothes. Since it was already late, I couldn't unpack everything properly. After office, I bought some essential items like a glass, detergent, noodles, and a strainer. And another exciting part of the day was receiving my MacBook for work. I'm not great at unboxing, but I still managed to do it.